Windows 11 is known for being heavy, demanding strict TPM requirements, and running terrible on older hardware. But what if there was a custom build that stripped away all the bloat, bypassed those requirements, and actually ran smoothly on a low-end PC? Welcome back to Tech for Boost, where we test custom operating systems on real, low-end hardware. Today, we are taking a look at Eclipse 11. This is a popular custom Windows 11 build designed specifically for performance and gaming. In this video, I am going to show you how to download it. Let's get into it. If you want to try Eclipse 11 for yourself, I have included the direct link to the Teams forum page in the description below. Once you are on the page, simply scroll down to the direct download section. You will find two different versions available. One is an ESD file, and the other is a WIM file. You can choose either one of them based on your preference. Alternatively, if you have a torrent client installed, you can also just download the torrent file, which is usually faster and more stable. Once you have your ISO file downloaded, we can move on to flashing it to a USB drive using Rufus and starting the installation.